Hello and welcome to Know Guitars. In this video we're going to look at step sequencing drums. We're using the Roland MC707 Groovebox, but these principles will work with any step sequencer. So you'll see we have two rows of pads. The top row is called the sequencer lane. It represents 1 bar of musical time split up into 16th note steps. The lower pads are the drum pads. Each one of these has a drum sample loaded onto it. To start programming a beat, we first need to select the drum sound we want to work with, then we key in steps on the sequencer where we want that drum to sound. So to lay down a 4 on the floor kick drum pattern, we first select the kick drum, and then we select steps 1, 5, 9 and 13 on the sequencer. When we select the next drum sound we want to work with, in this case the closed hi-hat, you'll see that the sequencer lane is empty. That's because every drum sound has its own sequencer lane. It's also possible to enter steps into the sequencer while the sequencer is running. The third way we can add to this drum pattern is to record some drum hits in live. To do this, we hit the record button and see that the track flashes red to show us it's armed, and then we select the quantize button. What quantize does is it ensures the notes we enter land squarely on the grid and stay in time. Then it's just a case of starting the sequencer and playing the drum hits where we want them. Once you have some steps recorded into the sequencer, it becomes possible to edit them. We do this by holding down an active step, which calls a display showing the parameters we can change. Typically this will be things like velocity and note start. Velocity roughly equates to volume, and note start allows you to nudge the note forwards or backwards to change its timing. So that concludes our first aid tutorial on drum sequencing. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.